Puppies have two speeds, asleep and absolute nonsense.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, you think it's funny, do you?
Every workout's better when your loudest cheerleader has 4 paws.
Huh?
That zigzags are anti-theft technology. Puppy logic. If they can predict me, they can steal it.
I said no, ma'am. Tear your butt up.
Bonito, né, amor? Olha o bichão. Amor, vem aí. Que modelo.
When puppy's internal GPS is permanently set to milk location. No ocean needed when you have unlimited imagination. Does your dog have this unstoppable swimming spirit?
Chama, Miguel, chama. Chama, Miguel, para descer.
Trust me, this isn't even the highest level of chaos puppies have created. Character development starts with the first zoomie. Puppy has officially entered the Zoomie Club.
Huh?
Powered by Smoochies.
Even in the air, Doggo never skipped leg day. The floor may be gone, but the mission continues.
So then I saw them together. They've been having this affair for like 5 years, okay? But you can't tell anybody, you promise? Don't.
Fun hole, Blue. Look at this dude. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Look at dude. Good boy. Good boy, dude.
The toy was just sitting there. Somehow, that was suspicious enough.
Remy, no.
That's probably one of the other times.
Vizinho morrer, por causa de briga, vizinho valer. Malandro.
A troublemaking puppy has nothing on a goose.
Ven, ven con mami, ven, ven. No, inside todo, dale, inside.
Vamos sair nessa rede, vamos lá, lalaia. Pegue a sacola e vá à feira. Não seja a primeira, não deixe de peixe.
The puppy's lawyer would like to point out that it looked exactly like a toy.
That's probably one of the other times.
Telling me I'm supposed to love a child more than this? There's no way. You're the sweetest boy.
Bro had a perfect hiding spot until the tail started broadcasting.
Puedo ver Jesús y alegrando a los demás, caminando comeroso.
Look, where you go? Where you go? Look, watch this. Watch this. Now watch this. Watch it. Take out one again. Go for the handful.
Good to see you pretty well, that's all.
Cara, é todo tempo assim.
Todo tempo desse jeito, vem aí. Todo tempo desse jeito aí. O único apoio que eu tenho.
What if Pup saw the laptop getting too much attention?
Там с тобой смотрит телефон.
Мне, по-моему, шапочка белая, на муж похожа. Еще звонить сюда будешь, он название будет.
She's my best friend, and I can't tell her that I saw her husband, with this other woman. It's like been going on for.
Humans ordered an angel and received a tiny tornado. Puppies don't care what you're playing, they're just happy you said yes.
Beepo, beepo. こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。ビーボービーボー。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。もしもし。もしもし。もしもし。
Mini Body Championship Attitude. This was less tug of war and more tug of ego.
Đồng chí Bún bữa đi đi tăng giá nha.
The Pup Cup was so good, the puppy forgot it had a face.
You gonna try again? Come on, you can do it. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Almost. Come on. Come on.
Oh, princess. Princess, where are you? You can run.
When Puppy downloaded unlimited speed with zero self-control. Local farmer reports record-breaking carrot harvest.
Lucy.
What?
Running for absolutely no reason is still a reason to a happy dog.
Sit. Stay. Stay.
Two bros started a boss fight with the exact same character.
Beethoven siya klepayat siya yung lem. Kamota siya na sikret ang bet ka. Itali ko siya yung tabapuksi kali. Teklaklo.
Gets 0% APR, select 2024's year, 1,500 dollars. That's over.
А поставь його на землю, хай походить.
Він уже зварений, синок.
Хай походить.
Він не ходить вже.
Ходить.
Не ходить, він готовий.
New house rule, if it's on the floor, it's the puppies, including the slipper.
Girl, Rigger, you learning your duties on the crane? Huh? What a good girl! What a good baby! Come on.
Gentle brushing is basically a puppy's version of a 5-star spa day.
Sit. Down. Good girl. Down. Good girl.
When Pup had no idea what was happening, just copied the excitement.
He got up. Preston, did you get up on the stairs?
Doggo has serious I'm on vacation energy. Every wave gets a 5-star review from this passenger.
You are not demure. You are demonic, you are demented, you are also a little bit delusional, and perhaps even a bit more derelict. I think we all need to look at the definition again of demure because it seems to be a little bit misunderstood these days.
You're not stuck.
The kitchen's basically live entertainment for a food-motivated dog.
That's probably one of the other
I don't have food. There's no food up here. You look stupid. She said, no, you.
How you doing out here? Just sunbathing? You have a good life, huh?
Oh, no.
Bro weaponized eye contact. Those eyes have successfully bypassed all human defenses. Bull Terrier wasn't threatening anyone. It was testing out its new sound effects.
Is he okay? I don't know. Χαίρετε, θα είμαστε 3. Νομίζω θα ήθελα μια χωριάτικη σαλάτα και ίσως λίγα τηγανιτά καλαμαράκια. Θα ήθελα μια γαριδομακαρόνια.
The excitement was too big to fit into a straight line.
Oh!
The little paws are saying, "I'm serious," while the face says, "I'm adorable."
Oh my god. Are you? Oh my, are you real? Oh my god, why?
Nope.
Puppy wrestling rules. Everything is allowed except being serious.
Puppies. Puppies. Come here, puppies.
Future professional cleaner loading. Currently promoted to broom inspector. Every dog has that one toy that's absolutely non-negotiable.
What do you want? Show me what you want. Do you want to go home? You want your mommy?
With the Chihuahua? Have you ever spent time with a Chihuahua? Do you know a Chihuahua personally? I don't believe you.
Chino, come. Good boy. Come.
Good boy.
Are you serious?
Puppy turned the house into a personal racetrack. This little athlete refuses to surrender. Sometimes the smallest paws create the biggest laughs. Thanks for watching.